And I would ask, what are you trying to control? Because really, if you're thinking about controlling your subconscious mind, what exactly are you trying to control and what makes you think that you can? So your conscious mind is your logical reasoning mind. That's the part of you that makes decisions, wills actions. Your subconscious mind's job is to carry out the decisions that your conscious mind makes. That's its job. So it's trying to do everything that you tell it to. So if you have a goal and you write down, this is what I want, it's your subconscious mind that goes out and gets that goal for you, that brings you all the opportunities, that brings you all the people, that brings you everything that you need to achieve that goal. It even brings you all your blocks. So anything that you have inside of you or in your life that could stop you from having that goal, your subconscious mind will bring it to you. So when you look at the world and you look at your life and you're thinking, why is this happening to me? Or why did this happen? Or, and you just feel very upset or unsettled about it. Try to keep in mind that everything in this life is for you. Everything. So no matter what it seems like or what our impression is or how we feel in the moment, right? Because feelings are not truth. Emotions are messengers from us, for us. No matter how you're feeling in that moment, everything that's happening in your life is for you. Like, this is your life. So what good would it do if you had all these things like working against you? Like, spirit doesn't make mistakes. Nature doesn't make mistakes. God doesn't make mistakes. And when you ask spirit about a mistake, it doesn't make any sense. So you have decisions to make, or whatever, you take this path or that path, or you make this decision and you follow through with it. We don't decide it's a mistake until we get to the end of it and we get the result and we say, I don't like that. And then we decide that it's a mistake, where really it's just life and we're just learning. So when you're talking about controlling the subconscious mind, what are you going to do and how are you going to control it, and what would the purpose of that be? So if you have a habit that you're trying to change, then I would work on that habit and go into your subconscious mind where that habit is kept and change it. Change it there, change it where it lives. Then it would be the habit that you're fixing or getting rid of or eliminating. So the controlling part of it would be, if you were trying to control your behavior, then you would work on that part of you that has that behavior and why. Like, if everything in your life is for you, everything that's happening to you is because of you, then somewhere in you, you must need this thing or this skill set. Like, we all come into each life with our own little like toolbox. We have a little toolbox on. We have everything that we need for this life. And then as we get down here and things, we become aware of stuff and life happens, we may find ourselves in a lot of challenging situations, but it's not the challenge that we came to learn. It's a skill that we learn from having that challenge that we're supposed to take with us through our little journey. So controlling your mind, I would say working with your mind would be good. And how do you do that? Be open to it. Use lots of self-hypnosis stuff because it's great. Do a lot of channeling, like learn how to channel, learn how to automatic. Definitely go see a good hypnotherapist or like past life regression therapist if you really want to go see like what you're doing and see what your soul has been doing and kind of tootle around in other time periods, because that's really fun. And get good at shifting in consciousness, get good at channeling, and you'll find that working with your subconscious mind is much, much easier than trying to control it. Anything that you're not specifically focused on in this moment is your subconscious mind doing it. So just me even moving my hands, right? I'm not thinking about which muscles I have to move. I'm not thinking about if it's dangerous or if I'm going to knock something over or what I look like. I'm just talking. My subconscious mind, however, is in control of all of it. And it's your subconscious mind that can do many things at one time. It's a multitasker, not us. Conscious mind can only focus on one thing at a time. So your subconscious mind is your body, or getting to your body, all your body stuff. It's your emotions. It's your memories. It's all your programming, so everything that you've ever learned. And it's the part of you that keeps all your habits in place. It's also where your imagination lives, and where, if you want to get in touch with your higher self, where it would come through. So your subconscious mind trying to control that, I would steer away from controlling it and work on working with it. And I think you'll find that everything works a lot better and easier that way.